Hey guys, welcome to Pizza Reviews. Today we're looking at the Umidigi A11 Pro Max. This phone just came up from Umidigi. It is the bigger version of the A11 regular version, I guess. This has a 6.8-inch FHD plus screen and also the Helio G80 CPU. It's got the 4 gigs RAM. There's an 8 gig RAM version available. This isn't it. This is the 4 gig RAM 128 gig version. Yeah, let's have a look and see what's inside the box. So we got the phone itself. It comes with a pre-installed cover. Now I had to take this cover off before, and it's a real mess to take off. I don't know what they used to glue this thing on, but it was very difficult to get it off, and there's some blotches on the screen, or not blotches, but I couldn't take it off cleanly. So yeah, inside the box we got the SIM eject tool, a user manual of some kind. It's got that's inside the phone. It's got TF dual SIM as well. It's kind of nice to see. Quick little guide. Looks like a charger, but let's see if it's a quick charge or not. It doesn't look like it. Looks like it's a 5 volt, 2 amps, regular USB charger. I was kind of expecting a little bit something better, but anyway, standard USB-C cord. Look at the phone here. So on the phone itself, in the back, we have the same type of backing as on the A11, which is the matte finish, and it's got this the Beyond Dreams logo that stands out on it. The cameras, so it's got the main camera, and then the macro and the wide angle, as well as the flash, and it's got the thermometer right there. On this side we got the programmable button and the micro tray. On the top we got nothing, which is kind of nice to see because they don't have a jack on the top. On this side we have the volume rocker and the push button, and as well this is also the fingerprint sensor. On the bottom we've got the headphone jack, USB-C, microphone, and bottom firing speaker. So let's have a look at the phone. So initially I had a couple of tests with this thing. It's pretty snappy overall. It goes by pretty nicely. The screen is very good resolution on it. It's got the punch hole camera on the top, and also on this one the launcher as well. If you want to change that under home settings, launch style, default. If it's a home screen, it will not launch. Just swiping up, it's all the menu, all the icons are the same, so it's all in one. So if you want to have the classic style launcher in the home settings, launcher style and default, and they'll bring it into the swipe up launcher. Looks like the Android is very clean on this model. There's really nothing installed on it. Let's have a look at the temperature sensor, see how that works. So yeah, 36.5, pretty accurate. Take a look at the blank box, see what it does in the objects. 24.5, 25, and the records. Seems to be pretty decent, I would say. Let's look at the camera. Camera is definitely, right off the bat, the colors are better from the previous model. The wide angle looks proper. It's got the proper colors on it. The macro looks a bit greenish. Let's see if that changed or not. There's a purplish hue that kind of comes and goes here, it seems. Well, you be the judge of that. You can kind of see in this one, it's yellow here, and here it's kind of faded yellow. So I would say the colors are kind of, maybe it needs to be outside. We can try a different color here. Let's see what we got here as a USB stick. That's pretty good on color. There's the real color. There it is on camera. We can try a remote here. Let's see what we got here. The reds come out okay. There's the red. There's the red. Let's try this red here. I guess it doesn't like yellow colors, so don't take any pictures of anything yellow with it. But the red and the yellow needs It's not too bad. So under the beauty effects, we've got the same thing as last time: large eye, thin, whitening, and buffing. Under rate video, same settings. Actually, let's go to picture here. Let's see what options we got. So we've got location, grid line, shutter sound, touch capture, self timer, watermark, anti-shake. So it's got exact same settings as the A11, and the extra got night mode, panorama, pro, and slow motion. And the Android is very clean in this phone. There's no bloatware whatsoever installed on it. Well, anyway, I will do a review of side-by-side comparison with these phones in our next video. So don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button. Thanks for watching.